Looking for the best cordless sweeping machine but not sure where to start? Stick around because we're counting down the top contenders, from decent performers to absolute game changers. Kicking off our list in the 5th spot is the Kärcher S4 Twin. Now, this sweeper is about as basic as it gets in the cordless world. No batteries, no power cords, just you and some elbow grease. It's simple, it's straightforward, and it gets the job done if your expectations aren't sky high. With a sweeping width of 26.8 inches and a cleaning rate of 26,000 square feet per hour, the S4 Twin handles patios, driveways, and garages reasonably well. It's also lightweight at 22.5 pounds, making it easy to maneuver, and it comes with a decent-sized 5.25-gallon container to collect debris. But, and there's a but, its performance does come with limitations. Because it's manually powered, it can be a bit of a workout on smoother surfaces, and you might find yourself going over the same area more than once to really get it clean. It also doesn't hold up well on uneven terrain, which can be a deal breaker for some. If you've got a small, flat area to clean and don't mind putting in a little muscle, this could be a budget-friendly pick. But if you're after efficiency or any kind of automation, you'll want to keep watching. By the way, you'll find links to all the products featured in this review at the best prices down in the description. Coming in at number 4 is the SANITMAX. It's another manual model like the Kärcher S4, but with a few slight upgrades that give it a bit more punch in the performance department. It sweeps a bit wider at 27.5 inches and covers more ground, up to 29,000 square feet per hour. The waste container is bigger too, at 6.6 gallons, so you won't be emptying it as often. It's also light, easy to store, and works both indoors and out. Overall, it's a solid pick for medium-sized spaces where power tools aren't practical. Still, it shares some of the same drawbacks as its manual cousin. It can struggle with smooth floors, and while it picks up a decent amount of debris, it might take a few passes for a thorough clean. Not ideal for rough or uneven surfaces either. If you need something simple and slightly more capable than the S4, the SANITMAX might be a good match. And hey, if you're finding this helpful so far, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews like this. In 3rd place, we're stepping things up with the Tomahawk Power. This is the first powered model on our list, and it really changes the game when it comes to ease of use and convenience. It runs on an 18-volt lithium-ion battery and gives you up to 5 hours of sweeping on a single charge. The dual brush system handles corners well, and the overall performance is comparable to larger machines. Without the bulk, it's incredibly light at just 18 pounds, and its compact size makes it super easy to store. It's not perfect though. While it does a great job with general debris, it's not the best for picking up fine dust, and like others, it may take more than one pass for a deep clean. Also, it's not meant for bumpy or uneven terrain. For homeowners or light commercial use where you want more automation without breaking the bank, the Tomahawk brings a lot to the table. Runner-up in our countdown is the Kärcher S6, the best performing manual sweeper we reviewed. If you're dead set on avoiding cords and batteries but still want serious cleaning power, this one's a strong contender. With a sweeping width of nearly 34 inches and a hefty 10-gallon bin, the S6 Twin is built for larger jobs. It's quieter than a normal conversation, and it even features height-adjustable side brushes, which help it handle different surfaces better than most manual models. That said, it's still a manual sweeper. You'll be doing the pushing, and while it handles better than others, it won't give you the hands-off convenience of battery-powered models. It also struggles with really fine particles and doesn't love uneven surfaces. If you want maximum manual performance and can live without a motor, the S6 Twin is where it's at, but for the best of the best, you know what's next. At the top of the list, the king of cordless sweeping, was the Tomahawk Power S30. This machine doesn't just clean, it dominates. With a 36-volt battery system, triple rotating brushes, and a sweeping capacity of 42,000 square feet per hour, the S30 is built for power and performance. It's got a huge 13.5-gallon bin, and even comes with a dust suppression system that includes a built-in water tank and pump, something none of the others offer. Sure, it's heavier, coming in at 53 pounds, and it's the most expensive on the list. But if you're cleaning large areas regularly, like warehouses, lots, or commercial spaces, this is the one that pays off in time saved and effort spared. If you want pro-level results without the hassle of cords or gas, the Tomahawk Power is hands down your best bet. That's the full roundup. If any of these sweepers caught your eye, make sure to check out the links in the description for the best deals. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you never miss a deep dive review like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.